I'm the killer.
What's going up, guys? It's ATL's finest, and today I'm gonna be changing my oil and my tranny oil as well, and some other goodies. Let's go, guys. Got some air fresheners, you know what I'm saying? Got oil filter, oil, got this heavy duty oil stabilizer, and some fuel injector treatment. My brother's gonna be changing his oil also on his Miata, which is right there. His Miata's looking pretty good. Make sure to stay tuned for his little build. Also, I said I was gonna change the tranny oil. Yeah, I need to go to AutoZone, and I'm gonna change the oil, put it back in here, and just go to AutoZone and leave this, because it doesn't make any sense to go to AutoZone, get the tranny oil, and come back, make more trips than I have to. Jack her up and put her on jack stands. What's going up, guys? Yesterday was hell. Literally was a tornado warning because of the weather, and today is literally amazing. So fucking Georgia weather all got me all fucked up, but alright, today we're gonna choose the tranny fluid. I bought the pump because I saw a video how to change it, because I don't even know how to change it myself, and you have to get a pump. This is right here. It's like $9. And you get your fluid. It's a 80W90. I asked them which oil I should use, and they said 7590. But on the Miata, what the Miata is supposed to have is 80W90. So got this. I saw that if you live in high temperatures, you should have 80W90. But if you live in low temperatures, just wanted to let you guys know that. And these are the spark plugs I got. By the way, guys, I'm not going to be explaining how to do this because there's really good videos on YouTube already that explains how to do this way better than I would explain to do this. Bam! Son, where I found this. I've already loosened up the... Oh! Let's take her out. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized. By the way, guys, the bowl is magnetic. I don't know if I said that right, but all the shavings inside the tranny should go straight to the tip of this. I don't know if you can see that, but I have a good amount of shavings on there. Make sure to clean this up before you put it back. All the shavings and the tip, as I showed you. I'm gonna clean it up, and I'll be right back with you guys. Cleaned it up pretty good. There was hella shavings actually. back when this one's in. Alright guys, that one's in. Make sure to clean this just like I did with the other one. So I got the little pump right here, got the little straw. I'm gonna put it inside that hole, just like that. Fucking hole. Alright guys, so it's on there, down there. Put back this little screw and it's mint. So transmission fluid is changed. Now I'm changing the spark plugs. Alright guys, so she's all done. Changed the spark plugs, changed the tranny fluid, changed the oil filter. I'm gonna name this video "Making the Miata Great Again." Sounds mint. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. It was pretty simple. I just wanted to show you guys how I'm making my Miata great again. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time at ATL's Finest.
Open eye.